Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ashabi. Today guys, I'll be sharing with you COVID-19 home cure recipe. This recipe is helpful to boost your immune system and it detoxifies. So basically the content of this recipe is just lemon, garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Now, the first step is to just wash the lemon and cut them in just four sizes of four pieces. I don't know, but you get what I mean. So, you're just going to cut them in four. When you do that for everything, I used about like 10 lemon or more. I really can't remember. I didn't count. It doesn't really matter. You just need to, depending on how much of the, because for this I was able to produce about 3 bottles from it, 75 cl. So now I'm rinsing the ginger. I'm just going to wash the ginger, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to slice the ginger, yes, with the bark, because the bark also contains some kind of, the bark is also useful. So same thing with the turmeric. I'm just going to wash it up and cut in circles, and then I'm just going to go to my garlic and peel the skin. Now after I'm done with that, all I just need to do is to start spreading the ginger. I'm just going to spread the ginger, then the lemon, in no particular order, my dear. I just like to make it look colorful, so it's just me playing with you. So I'm just spreading it all in the blender, and right there I'm just going to add my garlic. So this is basically how it looks when you're done. It's actually going to be really thick with some chaff in it, so you could just sieve it out, and then you're going to be left with the thick liquid that you could actually just, you can see it's so thick. So this is the liquid you're supposed to be drinking. You're going to drink this about as often as possible because it's a form of detox. So this is basically all about the recipe. It's no biggie, it's not complicated, it's so simple, and it is super healthy. You could choose to add honey to it and aloe vera if you want to add up the level of the recipe. So it's actually really okay. You could add those two, but I did not add them because I couldn't get aloe vera and honey around the store. So this is all about the recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give me your feedback in the comment section, what you think about this recipe. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, if you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Yes, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I love you all.